because of that guy and the pulley. Where's the pulley? He's right there.
No, you look past him 3 or 4 times. It's okay. He's an easily forgettable face.
I always mix him up with the other Polarstar.
I just remember he has the white goggles.
Yeah.
And the long suppressor.
I'm just gonna stand there.
Recognize the long suppressor.
I'm gonna get rid of this.
Mostly.
That last one.
You can just hide that. I got this. You can just hide that.
First one.
Everyone,
We'll end it.
wait, did you get that guy?
Oh yeah.
The finger again.
Hey, where are you guys going up there? What type? I'm gonna go right there.
I'm gonna go snipe if you cover me.
Yeah. Ready? Oh. You see him over there? He's right parallel to you.
Coming off!
What? Why is he just sitting there?
Oh, I got hit. That one hit me right in the goggles.
I got hit right in the knuckle.
That blows.
By this guy right here.
The guy at the AK?
Yeah. I'm pretty sure I got him.
I mean, whatever. Just, I've been shooting some kids and they, whatever.
Yeah.
I don't see how the teams ended up being so unfair.
I don't know.
Yeah.
You.
I don't either.
It's
Well, no matter what, this side stays longer. You just have more spots to go right away.
I just hate this field dying fast.
Yeah.
At least the ref taught me that if you start out in the middle, you just stay low enough and